walked out of a train station and you are totally lost?
Oh my gosh, yes. Like every time, Luna. Literally every single time.
Me too. And welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. And I just really don't like getting lost.
Right. Nobody likes it. It's scary. But today,
Are we fixing it? Are we learning how to not be lost?
yes, we are learning basic words for around the city.
Okay, cool. Because cities are big, so big.
Huge. So let's start with the big problem. You want to go somewhere, but
I don't know the words. I just point. I just point at my phone.
exactly. Pointing is, well, it's not good English.
Right. Yeah, true. It really isn't.
So the first word, the most important place, the street.
Street. Okay, that's easy. Street.
Right. But what is it? It's where the cars go.
And people? Do people walk in the street?
No, people walk on the sidewalk next to the street.
Sidewalk. Sidewalk. Because you walk on the side?
Yes, exactly. You walk on the side of the street.
Oh, wow. That makes so much sense. I never thought about that.
Right? English is crazy sometimes. But here is a harder word.
Uh-oh. Hit me. What is it?
A block. B-L-O-C-K.
A block. Like Lego? A Lego block?
Sort of. Think of the city like a big game of Lego.
Okay, I'm thinking. Big Legos.
A block is a group of buildings with streets all around it.
Wait, I don't get it. All around it?
Yeah, so imagine a square piece of pizza.
Square pizza. Okay, weird, but sure. I'm hungry now.
The pizza is the buildings. The crust, the outside part, is the streets.
Oh, now I get it. The block is the whole pizza piece.
Yes, so if I say walk 1 block,
I walk past one pizza piece. I mean, one group of buildings.
exactly, Lucas, you walk to the next street.
Wow, okay. Walk 1 block. Got it. That's so helpful.
Mm-hmm. But what if you don't want to walk?
Oh, I never want to walk. Too tired.
Lazy. Okay, so you need public transport.
Transport, like cars, buses, trains.
Yes, let's talk about the bus. Where do you find a bus?
The bus house?
Bus house? No, it's called a bus stop.
Bus stop, because the bus stops there.
Literally, yes. Very easy. The bus stops at the bus stop.
Man, English is so easy today. Bus stop, sidewalk.
Just wait. It gets harder.
Of course it does. Why did I say that?
Because you always speak too soon, Lucas.
Fair, very fair. So we have street, sidewalk, block, bus stop.
Right. And what about a train? A train under the city.
Ooh, I know this one. The subway.
Yes, the subway. Or the underground.
Wait, 2 words for the same thing? Why?
Well, American English says subway. British English says underground.
Ah, okay. Subway, underground. Like the sandwich?
Yes, the sandwich place is called Subway.
So I can eat a Subway on the subway?
I mean, you can, but it might be messy.
Like my English.
But seriously, what is next, Luna? Well, Lucas, next we need to talk about places, buildings.
Oh, places. Like my house?
No, places you go to in the city. Like, where do you buy food?
A restaurant.
Okay, yes, but like to cook at home.
Oh, the market or the supermarket.
Exactly, the supermarket. It is just a big market. Super.
Supermarket. Got it. Wait, what about bread? I love bread.
You do love bread. You go to a bakery.
Bakery. Bakery. Bakery.
Right. So imagine you are at the bakery, okay?
Smells good.
And you eat too much bread. Your stomach hurts.
Oh no, I need a doctor.
Yes. Where do you go?
The doctor house?
Close. The hospital.
Hospital, right, like in the movies.
Exactly. So we have supermarket, bakery, hospital.
But Luna, wait, how do I find them? I am lost.
Good question. You need to ask for directions.
Directions, like, where's the bread?
Yes, you say, "Excuse me, where's the bakery?"
Excuse me, that is polite, right?
Very polite. People like "excuse me."
Okay, excuse me, where's the bakery?
Now, the person will tell you where to go. They use like direction words,
Like up and down?
usually left and right.
Left and right. Okay, wait, which is left?
Make an L shape with your left hand.
Oh, look at that. An L. Left.
So they say, "Turn left," or "Turn right."
Turn left, turn right.
Simple. And what if you don't turn? You just keep going?
Go forward,
Yes, or we say, "Go straight."
go straight, turn left, turn right, go straight.
Perfect. But here is the hard part, Lucas.
Oh boy, I knew it.
Prepositions of place.
Prepo what? That is a big word.
Just words that tell you where a thing is, like next to.
Next to. Like you are next to me right now?
Yes, we are next to each other, like two friends holding hands.
Aw, holding hands. Next to. Okay.
The bakery is next to the supermarket.
So they are friends.
Exactly. Bread and apples are friends.
What if it is in the back, like hiding?
Then it is behind.
Behind. The hospital is behind the bakery.
You got it. And what about the front?
In front of.
Yes, in front of. You are doing great, Lucas.
Wow. Left, right, straight. Next to, behind, in front of.
So let's practice. I want the listeners to try too.
Ooh, a game. Listeners, get ready.
Imagine you walk out of your house. You turn right.
Turn right. Okay, walking.
You walk for 2 blocks.
2 blocks. Right. So I go straight?
Yes, go straight. Then you see a big park.
Oh, I like parks. Big trees, dogs.
Exactly. But wait, stop. The park is on your left.
On my left. Okay. Park is on the left.
Now look next to the park. What is it?
Next to the park. Is it a school?
Yes, it is a school. And what is behind the school?
Oh, behind the school, is it the bakery?
Yes, the bakery from before.
I knew it. I want bread. I always want bread.
Always bread. Okay, so listeners, where is the bakery?
Yeah, where is it?
It is behind the school.
Behind the school. Wow, I have a map in my head now.
See, it is very easy. Left, right, straight, behind, next to.
Wait, I have a question. What if I want to cross?
Cross. Good word, Lucas. Cross the street.
Cross the street. Like walk to the other side.
Exactly. You walk from one side to the other. You cross.
So I say, cross the street to the bank?
Perfect. Go straight, then cross the street.
Oh, that is so useful, like everyday English.
Yes, you use this every single day.
Literally every day. I always get lost.
Not anymore. You know the words now.
True, I know next to, behind, in front of.
And left, right, straight, and cross.
Left, right, straight, cross. It is like a superpower.
It is. Let's do one fast test for you and the listeners.
Oh boy, a fast test. Okay, I'm ready.
Quick. The bank is face to face with the park.
Face to face. So in front of?
Yes, in front of. The bank is in front of the park.
Nice. And the hospital is beside the park.
Beside. So we say next to.
Next to. Right. Next to the park.
You are doing so good.
I mean, you are a great teacher, Luna.
Thank you, Lucas. So listeners, it is your turn to practice. Yes, practice time. What do they do? When you walk today, look at things. Just look at things. Look and say the English words.
Oh, like the tree is next to the car.
Exactly. The store is behind the bus stop.
The dog is in front of the house.
Yes, just practice in your head. It helps a lot.
That is a great idea. I will do that too.
And if you are lost, just say, excuse me, where is the...
Where is the bakery? Always the bakery.
Always the bakery for you.
Well, Brad is very important, Luna.
Okay. So listeners, tell us in the comments.
Yeah, what is next to your house right now?
Good question. Write it down for us.
And hey, if you like this lesson, you know what to do.
Yes, subscribe and follow English Pod Center.
See you next time. Go find that bakery.